Hi, I just want to give a quick preview of what's coming out regarding capacity performance in Datalogz. So what we've been doing is, rather than using the capacity metric apps from Fabric, is building our own version of this. We've heard from a lot of our customers that there's limitation around how the data is structured around time series versus actual events. So we decided to do some reverse engineering to actually build out a way to track capacities much better to really identify problems. So here at the top, you'll see you have macro level overview of the environment from alerts, total CUs, your cost, the operational CUs, their cost, and percent of overall CU usage. You can also toggle to specific capacities to drill into those in more detail. And then you have the ability to break it down by background and interactive use case at the capacity and workspace level. Here you're able to drill deeper into a time, which I'll do in a second, where you're over the actual background and interactive usage. And then on the bottom left side here, you also have the different capacity usage by different item types. So you can see what's ultimately using the largest amount of compute in your capacity. In addition, we're showing the top 10 users by background usage, as well as their interactive usage, which are the two types of usage that Fabric is using. And if I drill down into a little bit more detail, I'm able to see exactly what wrong with that given timestamp or why that capacity is so saturated. So I'll just give it a second here to load. And as that spins up, I can go and start talking through those charts at a high level. So during that timestamp, you have still the macro level states where it's the actual hour breakdown of what exactly happened. So you can see the background usage as well as interactive usage, what operations occurred, the usage by different items, and what interactive operations detailed occurred. And then flipping over now to the capacity cost tab. So this is using the pay-as-you-go rates, but we're able to update those with any rates that you may have. You can see your daily cost of Power BI broken out between background and interactive cost and on the capacity and workspace level. And then seeing these diagrams to understand a little bit more detail about what are the actual workspaces items driving your cost in your environment. We also have alerting. So this is flagging the biggest issues around your Power BI capacities, whether they're underutilized, overutilized, if there's any problems. And then we're also working on creating a few views around throttling. So you're able to dive into more details on the different throttling stages occurring in Power BI. And now I know right now this is a application piece outside of Datalogz. In early October, we're incorporating this into our core product on our insights page, where you'll be directly able to view and manage capacity issues along with all the other common Power BI governance, policy problems across Power BI and other BI tools in one place in our current system. We're currently getting R&D feedback on this. So if you're interested in testing it out, please let us know. Thank you.